Alright guys, in this video I've got a 60s refrigerator. It is a Frigidaire fridge, product of General Motors. This fridge is from the 60s. It's got a chrome kick plate. Alright, so on the bottom it's got a really nice chrome kick plate. And it's not in place yet. It's got, pull it off here and show you. On this one, it's got a clip right here and a clip on the other side that goes in right there and right there. And then right there, those pins are straight right now. They're supposed to be bent up to hold it stiff. You can see somebody had tape. They put tape up there to hold it up. I'm gonna get all that off, and I'm gonna bend it in from the back of the refrigerator when it's locked in like it should be. This refrigerator is still a really nice refrigerator. The seal is in perfect condition. You can see it's started to get dirty and mold a little bit. We'll get all that cleaned up. Look at that chrome. I'm gonna find somebody, I don't know myself how to do it, so I'm gonna find somebody to redo these racks for me. Like I said, you can see it needs some cleaning. I'm gonna clean it up, but it's got the aluminum freezer box for storage for frozen meats and stuff. It's got that little groove that pops in place right there. You can see it kind of wants to bend instead of sliding in like it should, so I'll fix that issue. Right now I'm just gonna leave it be. All the lights work. This thing literally has everything from the original. It's still got the knob, the light, still got the cover right here. It's got the tray for under the freezer. If it drips and builds up any ice, you can pull this out, slide this out right here. Get rid of that. It's got the metal drawer underneath it. If you come over here, it's got this shelf, still perfectly good shape, no splits, no cracks. It's got the egg holder. It's got 3 shelves total with the egg holder, freezer box, 2 shelves in the bottom drawer. Man, you was this crap back in the day when you had this thing. All right, let's get to cleaning and fixing this thing up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this thing so I can start cleaning it up. Alright, so I haven't gotten over here to the refrigerator side yet. But if you come over here to the freezer side, you can check it out looking immaculate. I'll put some grease on it. Still a little stiff, but it's getting there.